Yo guys, what's up? Just an extra video. I'm going to do something live on camera right here because I invested in a pre-sale through Enjinstarter and through Poolz Finance, and the vesting is coming in a couple of minutes, and I decided, man, I'm gonna claim these tokens, I'm gonna sell these tokens. Let me see what the profit hopefully is going to be. But let me do that on cam. Why not? I'm sitting here anyway, right? So it's quite interesting, because I've showed you this before very quickly. I want to be in time, of course, because usually when these things come out, they pump very hard and they got sold right away. So I want to sell it as soon as possible. But to show you anyway, if you go to Launchpads, this is what I showed you before, right? So if we go, for example, to, in this case, Poolz Finance, right? If you see how Poolz is doing, like the projects that they released, the all-time high ROI for this project was 155x. This one 100x, this one 50x, right? This was all in the bull market, of course, but these pre-sales on these Launchpads could do actually very well. So I'm very interested to see what's going to happen. This is one of the first pre-sales that I actually joined since a long time. The bear market just didn't allow projects to have a good release. So in that case, nothing really released. And the things that I participated in all ended up in, you know, Enjinstarter giving me a refund. And now I invested in Carbon, which is pretty interesting, because Carbon is a Web3 browser. It's a browser just like Brave or Chrome or whatever, but it's a Web3 browser. But they already have 5.6 million users, and they're only released on Android. So not even PC, not even iOS, but already 5 million users. And this project has so many partnerships going on. They release really news after news after news. So I'm very interested to see how this is going to play out. So let me find the contract address right here and go to PooCoin before it's going to release so I can see the price. The IDO price was 1 cent. All right, so it was 1 cent. I bought it for a cent. And let me take a look. It's now sitting at 4 cents, but I don't even know, like, they should release in a minute from now. So I don't even know if this is correct, what I'm seeing right here. Let me take a look. It's very weird, but you can't trade it yet, right? But yeah, let me take a look. Here we go. It did a 5x so far, so it's like meh. I can claim my tokens in 5 minutes. That's so stupid about it. You can always claim it a little bit later, but yeah, then people can already buy it and pump it for me, right? So I'm fine with that. But 5x so far, I didn't invest a lot, and I get 20% of my investment today. Which would mean that I have my initial investment back, right? So that's already very nice. So it's unlocked. I can claim it. Oh, I can claim it already on Poolz Finance. So that's pretty interesting. So I can claim it right here already. Let me go to PancakeSwap. I don't know if you think this is interesting, but I find it quite cool to see what these Launchpads do these days, right? So let me see if I will be able to sell some. Yeah, $140 so far on this one. By the time I'm selling it, it's probably less, right? Because here we go, it's already dumping. That's always the case. So what you want to do if you buy into Launchpad tokens, try to sell, and usually it gives some problems because the price is doing so it's confirmed. It's rejected, I think. Yeah, it's rejected. Fuck my life. So that's usually what it does, right? Usually after you participated in such a pre-sale, you want to sell the tokens as fast as you can, because the price is really, look, the price is really dumping and it's just not working to sell, and it's now 113. So you see how that goes, right? So yeah, here we go. So that's the thing with pre-sales. It sucks sometimes. Let me increase this a little bit. Maybe it's now working. I don't know. I cannot give a speech and do this all at the same time. Fuck my life. It's now pending. It's not working. It's not working. It's so fucking stupid how this shit works. Now it's $100. Look how fast it's going down. Problems with the gas fees, all bullshit like that. So often projects they release and then they say like, oh look, we did a 5x, while in reality you maybe can sell at a 3x if you are lucky, but not even, right, in this case. So everybody selling at the same time, yeah, that just doesn't work. Right now we have to adjust the slippage right here, so a lot more gains going down the drain. Now I'm getting $91 for it, so yeah. Let me see if it works right now. Let me check. It finally worked. So I now sold this for $93, right? But it's 20%. With Poolz I invested $150. Right, so I already got almost like more than half of my money with just 20%, and the rest I will get next month. So maybe, I don't know, if this project next month goes all the way higher, then I have a big profit as well, as anyway, right? But it's weird that you can already claim with Poolz, and that with Enjinstarter you can claim. I thought you could claim it 5 minutes later at least. That should not be correct. No, I can already claim it. I thought they said it was going to be 5 minutes later. Let me check this out. Okay, already got it, cool. So, $250. My investment with Enjinstarter was $400. This is 20%. So yeah, I actually made some good profit. I did a 3x. Like a 3x, right? Like me. It could definitely be that the price chart is looking like this in a couple of minutes. I don't know. It's definitely possible, right? And then in that case, too bad for me. But I'm not going to complain about a 3x in the bear market, right? Because what I also thought was possible, if you go to Pancake Swap and you go to Poolz, then here you can earn. There will be. I thought there was already, but there will be a pool where you. Here you go. Here you can earn that token by investing cake in it, right? And I can check if it works already. I don't know what the APR is going to be right here and why I can't see that already. So that's kind of weird. But I have some cake, so let me stake that, whatever. It's not a lot. Annual ROI at current rates, $1,400 with $70. So the APY is insanely high because I am basically the first one staking this right now. Right, but that's the thing. If you put it on this where you can stake it for such a high APY, then people just have to invest cake in it, right? So they don't even have to buy this token, the CSIX token, and they get it and they dump it, right? So I fucking hate this pool right here, to be honest. Right, look, 1,000% APR, and this is going down fast. Of course, this is going down fast. But that's a good reason why this token will be dumped. Look, it's now 4%. Fuck my life. But this token will be dumped just because of this pool. And probably, I don't know if there's a farm for it as well. There's no farm for it. Well, whatever. But, okay, so that's how it went. So, what I still think is quite interesting is if you invest in crypto pre-sales right now. Again, if you go to Crypto Rank, you see right here Launchpads. So let me go to Enjinstarter in this case. That's what I used, right? So let me go to Enjinstarter. You see 50x, 20x, 20x, 20x. Enjinstarter doesn't have the best ROI. If you look at Seedify, there's like 600x, 200x, 100x. But that's what it does in a bull market. You see these dates, top of the bull market, 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 right? And it's maybe not a lot right here, but November, December, October, December, November, like you made it, you know, 50x, 20x, 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 like weekly, right? Weekly, right? That's what it does. We now, with a project with a lot of users already, with big partnerships, made a 4x. 4x, that's it. 4x, and they're gonna claim it as it's a 6x even, right? So they're going to send like Enjinstarter and Poolz going, oh, all-time high 6x. You couldn't sell there. It's impossible. Everybody's trying to sell, and you saw it's not working, right? So, but you see that it's still it's not a full ongoing bull market right now, right? So therefore, you don't see these crazy price pumps as well. But why I invest anyway, right, is, well, one, I made a 4x. I almost got my initial investment out already with 20% vesting. So the price really has to go down a lot coming month will I be in loss anyway, right? But even if it goes down, or it doesn't go above the IGO price in the first place, it doesn't really matter, because these launchpads, they have all securities and how do you call it? Like, they will refund your money if the price goes below IDO price. So there's no losing with this. Kind of disappointed, however, that it just did a 5x, to be completely honest. It's not the best, right? Especially as I said, like, this project is very much anticipated, and they make these sheets like this, right? Well, where is it? I don't know where that sheet is. That they had some moon sheet anyway. They say like, okay, if it goes 100x, it will be at a $16 million market cap. And I'll be like, yeah, it's pretty doable. $16 million market cap, like, that's not that much. But if you now look at this, it's sitting at 40 million, fully diluted. This is fully diluted, right? I think this is because the token vesting is fucking awful. It's sitting at a $1.3 million market cap. So even a good project with a lot of partnerships, with a lot of hype going on, at a $1.5 million market cap, it's a struggle, right? That's what a bear market does. So my advice, you could definitely participate, but these launchpads are really interesting to accumulate the tokens of these launchpads, and then invest and participate in these sales in the next crypto bull run, because then you actually see these crazy numbers. But yeah, I made a clean 3x. It's good. If the price goes down, you know, I have 3x, fuck it. If the price goes up, it's good, because next month, I guess I get my next vesting. So that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you find it quite funny to see. For now, thanks for watching. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, smack the like button. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.